How to stay safe in Mexico City. Staying safe in Mexico City, like any other major city, involves being aware of your surroundings, taking precautions, and following local guidelines. Here are some general tips to help you stay safe in Mexico City. Research and plan. 1. Before your trip, research the neighborhoods you plan to visit and stay in. 1. Some areas are safer than others. 2. Stay informed about the current safety situation in the city by checking travel advisories from your government. Choose accommodations wisely. 1. Select accommodations in safer neighborhoods or reputable areas. 1. Read reviews and get recommendations from trusted sources. Transportation. 1. Use official and registered transportation services, such as authorized taxis or rideshare apps, rather than hailing random cabs off the street. 2. Avoid using public transportation during late hours, and be cautious with crowded buses and metro stations. Be cautious with valuables. 1. Keep your belongings secure and be mindful of pickpockets. 1. Use a money belt or a secure travel wallet to protect your valuables. 2. Avoid displaying expensive items like jewelry or flashy electronics. Stay informed. 1. Stay updated on local news and events. 1. Be aware of any potential safety concerns in the areas you plan to visit. Blend in. 1. Dress modestly and try to blend in with the local culture. 1. Avoid drawing attention to yourself as a tourist. Learn basic Spanish phrases. 1. While many people in Mexico City speak English, knowing some basic Spanish phrases can be helpful in various situations. Trust your instincts. 1. If a situation doesn't feel right, trust your instincts and remove yourself from it. 1. Avoid risky areas, especially at night. Emergency numbers. 1. Know the local emergency numbers and keep them handy. 1. In Mexico, the emergency number is 911. Health precautions. 1. Be cautious with street food and drink bottled or purified water to avoid foodborne illnesses. 2. Carry any necessary medications and be aware of the location of medical facilities. Travel insurance. 1. Consider purchasing travel insurance that covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and other unexpected events. Stay connected. 1. Keep in touch with friends or family members and let them know your plans and whereabouts. Avoid risky areas. 1. Stay away from neighborhoods known for high crime rates. 1. Consult with locals, your accommodation staff, or online resources for updated information on safe and unsafe areas. ATM safety. 1. Use ATMs in well-lit and secure locations, such as inside banks or shopping malls. 1. Avoid using ATMs on the street, especially at night. Group travel. 1. Whenever possible, travel in groups, especially during nighttime. 1. There is safety in numbers, and it can deter potential criminals. Nightlife precautions. 1. If you plan to enjoy the nightlife, choose reputable venues and stay in well-populated areas. 1. Be cautious about accepting drinks from strangers, and never leave your drink unattended. Photography caution. 1. Be respectful when taking photos, especially in local neighborhoods. 1. Ask for permission before photographing people, as some may not appreciate it. Local advice. 1. Seek advice from locals, such as your accommodation staff or tour guides, regarding places to avoid and the safest routes to take. Secure your lodging. 1. Ensure that your lodging has secure locks and consider additional security measures if needed. 1. Use hotel safes for important documents and valuables. Cultural sensitivity. 1. Learn about local customs and traditions to avoid unintentionally offending anyone. 1. Respecting the local culture can contribute to a positive experience. Be weather aware. 1. Be aware of weather conditions, especially during the rainy season. 1. Some areas might be prone to flooding, so stay informed and plan accordingly. Internet security. 1. Use a virtual private network, VPN, when accessing public Wi-Fi to protect your personal information from potential cyber threats. Tourist assistance centers. 1. Identify the location of tourist assistance centers or embassies in case you need help or information. Travel during daylight. 1. Whenever possible, Plan your activities during daylight hours. 1. Avoid wandering unfamiliar areas at night. Learn about local laws. 1. Familiarize yourself with local laws and customs to ensure you stay within legal boundaries and respect local norms. Cultural awareness. 1. Respect local customs and traditions. 1. Understanding and appreciating the local culture can help you navigate social situations more smoothly. Bargaining. 1. If you're shopping at markets or street vendors, bargaining is common. 1. However, do it respectfully and with a smile. 1. It's part of the culture, but being aggressive can lead to misunderstandings. Stay hydrated. 1. Mexico City's high altitude can lead to dehydration, especially if you're not used to it. 1. Drink plenty of water, especially if you're spending time outdoors. Traffic awareness. 1. Be cautious when crossing streets, as traffic can be busy and unpredictable. 1. Use designated crosswalks and follow local pedestrian rules. Emergency services. 1. Familiarize yourself with the location of the nearest hospitals, police stations, and embassies. 1. Keep important contact information handy. Respect local wildlife. 1. If you're exploring natural areas, be aware of local wildlife. 1. Some animals may pose a threat, so keep a safe distance and don't approach them. Weather preparedness. 1. Be prepared for sudden changes in weather, especially during the rainy season. 1. Carry an umbrella or raincoat and stay informed about weather forecasts. Community events. 1. Participate in local events and festivals but be cautious in crowded areas. 1. Keep an eye on your belongings and be aware of emergency exits. Public spaces. 1. Exercise caution in crowded places such as markets, public transportation, and tourist attractions. 1. Thieves may take advantage of crowded situations. Local currency. 1. Familiarize yourself with the local currency and exchange rates. 1. Be cautious when using ATMs and count your money carefully when making transactions. Environmental considerations. 1. Respect the environment and avoid littering. 1. Be aware of local efforts to preserve natural resources and contribute positively to sustainability. Stay informed about local events. 1. Be aware of any public demonstrations or protests that may be taking place. 1. While these events are generally peaceful, it's wise to avoid them to prevent accidental involvement. Internet and phone safety. 1. Use secure Wi-Fi connections, avoid public computers for sensitive activities, and keep your phone secure. 1. Install tracking apps or enable tracking features in case of loss. Stay updated on health recommendations. 1. Check for any health advisories or recommendations, especially regarding vaccinations and health precautions, before your trip. Socialize responsibly. 1. If you're meeting new people, do so in public places, and let someone know your plans. 1. Trust your instincts and prioritize your safety. Local SIM card. 1. Consider getting a local SIM card for your phone. 1. This can help you stay connected, use local apps, and navigate with maps without relying on public Wi-Fi. Watch your drinks. 1. Be cautious when accepting drinks from strangers, and never leave your drink unattended. 1. Drink responsibly and be aware of your surroundings, especially in social settings. Tipping etiquette. 1. Understand the local tipping customs. 1. In Mexico, tipping is customary in restaurants, bars, and for various services. 1. Carry small denominations of local currency for tipping. Traffic safety. 1. Exercise caution when using crosswalks, and be aware that traffic rules may differ from your home country. 1. Look both ways before crossing streets, even on one-way roads. Hotel check-in. 1. When checking into your hotel, ask about safety features such as security guards, surveillance cameras, and secure entry systems. Register with your embassy. 1. Consider registering with your embassy or consulate upon arrival. 1. This can be helpful in case of emergencies or if there are important updates from your home country. Public Wi-Fi security. 1. If you need to use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your internet connection and protect your sensitive information. Know local transportation options. 1. Familiarize yourself with the various transportation options, including buses, metro, and rideshare services. 1. Understanding the local transportation system can make your travels more efficient and safer. Street vendors. 1. While exploring markets and street vendors, be cautious about the quality and hygiene of food products. 1. Choose vendors with clean and well-maintained stalls. Be mindful of altitude. 1. Mexico City is at a high altitude, and some visitors may experience altitude sickness. 1. Stay hydrated, avoid excessive alcohol consumption, and take it easy during your first few days to acclimate. Environmental considerations. 1. Respect local ecosystems and wildlife. 1. If you're engaging in outdoor activities, follow designated trails, and avoid disturbing natural habitats. Know basic medical phrases. 1. Familiarize yourself with basic medical phrases in Spanish. 1. This can be helpful in case of emergencies or if you need to communicate with healthcare providers. Local etiquette. 1. Learn about local etiquette, including greetings and common social norms. 1. Politeness and respect go a long way in fostering positive interactions. Legal drinking age. 1. Be aware of the legal drinking age, which is 18 in Mexico City. 1. Always carry a valid ID if you plan to enter bars or purchase alcohol. Enjoy local cuisine safely. 1. While sampling local cuisine as part of the travel experience, be cautious about street food hygiene. 1. Choose vendors with good hygiene practices, and consider food safety standards. Check local events schedule. 1. Be aware of local events, festivals, or major gatherings that might attract large crowds. 1. These events can impact traffic and safety conditions in the city. Use reputable tour operators. 1. When booking tours or excursions, use reputable and licensed tour operators. 1. Check reviews and ensure they prioritize the safety of participants. Emergency exit plans. 1. Familiarize yourself with emergency exits in your accommodation, public buildings, and transportation hubs. 1. Knowing escape routes can be crucial in case of unforeseen events. Road safety. 1. Exercise caution when walking near busy roads, and use pedestrian crossings when available. 1. Be aware of traffic patterns and always look both ways before crossing. Learn basic self-defense techniques. 1. While it's unlikely you'll need to use them, learning basic self-defense techniques can boost your confidence and provide an added layer of personal safety. Local laws regarding drugs. 1. Understand and respect local laws, especially those related to drug use. 1. Mexico has strict laws regarding certain substances, and violations can lead to severe consequences. Health precautions in altitude. 1. If you're not accustomed to high altitudes, be aware of potential symptoms of altitude sickness, such as headaches and dizziness. 1. Seek medical attention if symptoms persist. Stay hygienic. 1. Wash your hands regularly, especially before meals, to prevent illnesses. 1. Carry hand sanitizer for situations where soap and water are not readily available. Attend travel safety workshops. 1. If available, consider attending local travel safety workshops or orientations. 1. These can provide valuable insights into the specific safety considerations for the area. Understand local traffic signals. 1. Be familiar with local traffic signals and road signs. 1. Understanding the rules of the road will help you navigate safely, whether you're walking or using public transportation. Stay informed about water safety. 1. If you plan to engage in water-related activities, be aware of local water safety guidelines. 1. Follow lifeguard instructions and only swim in designated safe areas. Keep electronic copies of important documents. 1. Keep electronic copies of essential documents like your passport, ID, and travel insurance. 1. Store them securely in cloud storage or email them to yourself for easy access. Respect sacred sites. 1. When visiting religious or sacred sites, dress modestly and follow any specific guidelines provided by the place of worship. 1. Show respect for the local religious practices. Stay informed about local cuisine. 1. If you have food allergies or dietary restrictions, communicate them clearly when ordering. 1. Learn about common local ingredients to avoid any unwanted surprises. Be mindful of local wildlife. 1. If you're exploring natural areas, be aware of local wildlife and follow guidelines to ensure your safety and the well-being of the animals. Learn basic first aid. 1. Familiarize yourself with basic first aid techniques. 1. Knowing how to respond to minor injuries or emergencies can be valuable in various situations. Stay sober. 1. Avoid excessive alcohol consumption, especially if you are in an unfamiliar environment. 1. Being sober enhances your awareness and decision-making abilities. Secure your belongings in accommodations. 1. Use hotel safes to store important documents, extra cash, and valuables. 1. Lock windows and doors when leaving your accommodation, even if it's just for a short time. Local SIM card for emergency calls. 1. Having a local SIM card not only helps with navigation but also allows you to make emergency calls more easily. 1. Ensure your phone is always charged. Inform someone of your plans. 1. Share your travel itinerary with a trusted friend or family member. 1. Regularly check in with them to let them know you are safe. Be mindful of street names. 1. Memorize or note down the street names and landmarks near your accommodation. 1. This can help you find your way back more easily. Dress appropriately. 1. Dress according to the local customs and weather. 1. Avoid flashy clothing or accessories that may attract unnecessary attention. Watch for fake police scams. 1. Be cautious if someone claiming to be a police officer asks for money or tries to confiscate your belongings. 1. Verify their credentials and, if in doubt, contact the local police station. Keep your valuables separate. 1. Avoid keeping all your valuables, such as money, credit cards, and identification, in one place. 1. Distribute them in different pockets or use a money belt. Stay informed about local holidays. 1. Be aware of local holidays and events, as they can impact transportation schedules and the availability of services. Know local hospital locations. 1. Identify the locations of hospitals and medical facilities in the areas you plan to visit. 1. Carry a list of emergency contacts, including local medical services. Stay updated on local currency. 1. Keep yourself informed about the current exchange rates and use official currency exchange services to avoid scams. Mindful photography. 1. Respect people's privacy when taking photos. 1. Ask for permission before photographing individuals, especially in rural or indigenous communities. Watch your step. 1. Be mindful of uneven pavements and potential hazards, especially in older parts of the city. 1. Wear comfortable and sturdy shoes for walking. Be skeptical of strangers. 1. Be cautious when approached by strangers, especially if they seem overly friendly or insistent. 1. Trust your instincts and maintain a healthy level of skepticism. Use reputable apps for services. 1. When using ride-sharing or food delivery apps, stick to reputable and well-known services to ensure your safety and security. Practice sun safety. 1. If you're spending a lot of time outdoors, use sunscreen, wear a hat, and stay hydrated to protect yourself from the sun. Stay hydrated in high temperatures. 1. Mexico City can experience high temperatures, especially during certain seasons. 1. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and prevent heat-related illnesses. Participate in guided tours. 1. Consider joining guided tours for certain activities, especially if you're exploring less touristy areas. 1. Local guides can provide valuable insights and enhance your safety. Respect noise levels. 1. Be mindful of local noise regulations, especially during nighttime. 1. Avoid creating unnecessary disturbances that may disturb local residents. By integrating these additional safety tips into your travel routine, you can contribute to a smoother and safer experience in Mexico City. Always stay aware of your surroundings and be adaptable to changing circumstances.